today we have a really awesome train. And I'm really lucky to get such a train that is compatible with this wooden track. And here we can see construction site, and we have Patrick, the cement mixer of Thomas and Friends. We have a beautiful station with Stanley of Disney Cars Toy and Patrick of Thomas and Friends. Here comes the train. Look at this beautiful, very powerful train. I love the color. It's really awesome. Having no problem going along the wooden track. Blue, red, green, and finally the yellow. Woo! It's the train, but the drawbridge is here, so we have to get ready with the drawbridge. So let's go ahead and now it should be ready. There should not be any problem for the train to come. Alright, and here is the construction site. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this awesome construction site. And it has a trolley, another one with all stones. And here you can see the drawbridge. Here comes the train with light and sounds. Look at this awesome train. So we're gonna make him face a challenge, that is to push one of the Thomas trains, and we're gonna put the train ahead of him to see how he performs. So look at that. And here you can see Stanley of Disney Cars, Patrick of Thomas and Friends. We took off all the 3 cargoes from this train is because we're gonna put him to test. We're gonna see how this train is pushing Thomas number 1 tank engine, the wooden version, here. So let's go ahead and see. Alright, activate the train. Here you can see Thomas. Ooh, yay, that is cool. Here you can see Thomas is being pushed by the train. Yay, this is a remote control one. We're going to show you the remote later. Just a little boost. Ooh. Thomas came well ahead of me. This is really interesting to see. Here is what you can see now. Whoa! Look at that. Here's the drawbridge and the construction site. Alright. You can see caution emergency zone because so many construction work is going on here. And this side you can see it's red, that means you can go ahead and run the train. Ooh. Thomas came well ahead of him. Yeah. Here comes the train. Look at this. Can you see him, Thomas? Yep. can see Thomas and the train. This is the train, and let me now show you the remote control here. This is the remote control that takes him forward. It also goes backward, and here's the light sounds. You see, full sound. And this is stop sign, forward. Okay, so we're gonna put him another challenge, that is Percy is waiting here. So the train is coming, and we're gonna see if, oh yeah, that is challenge. Oh, but both of them fell. Percy and Thomas. So we're gonna make him. Yeah, look at that. That is cool, huh? We're gonna show you from here. Look what happens. Little boost. Oh, Percy went derailed a little bit. Here is the force. Oh man. Won the challenge. The reason it failed, Percy and Thomas, is because they get derailed when all of a sudden this curve starts, like downwards, and then force. All those things make them fall, but that doesn't mean that it's because of this train. The trains that you have seen here, Thomas, metallic version 60 years edition. Here you can see wooden Percy, the regular one, and here is the train that you saw performing well. And thank you, viewers. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the like button if you like the train. And thank you. Stay tuned for more. If you want to see more Thomas and Friends videos, there is a link below. See you again.